What if I told you Jupiter, the giant that's protected Earth for billions of years, has a secret killer approaching right now? And this isn't science fiction. This changes everything we thought we knew about our solar system's stability. Right now, as you watch this, something is moving through the Oort cloud, the icy shell at the edge of our solar system, and it's heading straight for Jupiter. This isn't just another comet. Scientists tracking deep space objects have detected anomalies that suggest something massive is on a collision course. The clock is ticking, and what happens next could rewrite our understanding of planetary protection forever. But here's where it gets really interesting. Jupiter isn't just a random gas giant. It's Earth's cosmic bodyguard. For 4.5 billion years, its massive gravity has been pulling in asteroids and comets that would otherwise hit Earth. But scientists at Caltech discovered something terrifying in 2023. Jupiter has a critical vulnerability. Its magnetic field, while massive, has strange fluctuations that create temporary weak spots. And if something hits during one of these windows, well, we'll get to the shocking consequences in a moment. Now wait, it gets crazier. The approaching object isn't what you think. It's not a rogue planet or a black hole. Data from the James Webb Space Telescope suggests it's something far more bizarre. A dark matter clump with the mass of 50 Earths. These invisible killers move through space undetected until they interact with gravity. And this particular clump, designated Oort 7X, is on a direct trajectory. But here's the real mind-blower. Dark matter doesn't just pass through planets, it can trigger catastrophic chain reactions inside them. But what happens when this invisible killer reaches Jupiter? This is where things get truly terrifying. When dark matter passes through a gas giant, it doesn't just go straight through. The 2024 Harvard study revealed something shocking. Dark matter particles can become trapped in a planet's core, building up until they trigger quantum instability. For Jupiter, this means its core, already hotter than the sun's surface, could experience runaway fusion. And if that happens, well, let me show you what comes next. Here's the nightmare scenario scientists are actually modeling right now. If Jupiter's core goes unstable, it wouldn't just explode. It would undergo what's called a partial collapse, where the planet shrinks rapidly, releasing unimaginable gravitational energy. This energy would shoot through the solar system like a shockwave, disrupting every planet's orbit. Earth could be thrown into a deeper orbit, triggering a new ice age. Mars might be pulled closer to the sun. The asteroid belt would become a shooting gallery. But the craziest part? We might see the first signs within our lifetime. This is the most mind-blowing part. The dark matter clump Oort 7X isn't scheduled to reach Jupiter for another 150 years, but here's what changes everything. We're already seeing the effects. Jupiter's magnetic field has been weakening at an unprecedented rate, 3% faster than any model predicted. Its famous red spot is shrinking twice as fast as it was just a decade ago, and deep space telescopes were detecting gravitational anomalies around Jupiter that match exactly what the dark matter models predict. The killer isn't just coming, it's already influencing its target from billions of miles away. So what do you think? Is Jupiter's secret killer really coming, or are we misreading the cosmic science? The truth is, we're living through the most exciting time in astronomy history, where every discovery raises new questions. If you want to stay updated on what scientists find next about this and other cosmic mysteries, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because the universe has more secrets waiting to be uncovered, and we'll be here to explore every one of them.